Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Faye here. I am here with exercises for injuries. Today I am coming at you for a body weight workout, so no equipment needed. I do have some chairs and a post-up available just for some balance. Otherwise, there's no equipment needed for your workout today. Again, my name is Faye. I am in the Okanagan in beautiful British Columbia. It's a gorgeous day out. I'm super happy to have this amazing backyard to be able to teach from. My Great Dane is up there somewhere and probably will be barking at a squirrel soon, so I apologize for her rudeness. We're going to do a body weight workout today, as I said, so no equipment needed. Make sure you stay within your wheelhouse, so I'll give you a few options as we go through, and I want you to make sure that if something isn't feeling great, you just take half a step back, reevaluate the exercise, and join us back when you're ready. All right, so Duvessa is here. She is my Great Dane. She loves to help me with my workouts. So most of the time she just gets in the way. And we're going to start with some shoulder rolls. So just loosening up, getting that blood flow. And forward. I was actually out on the lake yesterday. I got to go wakeboarding and tubing, so my shoulders are a little bit tight from being dragged around on a tube. Good, hands on the shoulders, little twist. I'm not ready for fall. As much as I love sweater season, and I love scarves, and I love pumpkin picking. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Shaking it out. Just a couple little squats. Just a small bend. Belly button tight to the spine. Nice flat neutral back. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Wide legs. We're going to shift side to side. Awesome. Good. Okay, we should be good and warmed up. Have a drink available. Remember, if at any time you feel like you need to step back out of an exercise, that is fine. Stay within your wheelhouse. We're aiming for 10 reps for each exercise, and then we're going to do a little bit of cardio and then go back again. So cool. All right, so we're going to start with a squat and hold. So we're going to squat, come down and hold it for 2 seconds, and then come back up. I have a post here just to help me with my balance. My feet are just wider than hip width apart. So I've got this post. We're going to sit down. 1, 2, and up. Nice and tall. Squeeze. Down, flat back. 2, and up. The deeper you go, the harder it is. So judge that on your ability. Good. Down, hold, and up. Down, hold, and up. Very good. If it's in your wheelhouse to not hold that post, feel free. Good. All the weight is on the heels. Excellent. 2 more. Down, hold, and up. 1 more. Down. Good. Okay, so that's our strength one. Now we're going to get a little bit of cardio in. So we're going to do a step side to side. And it can be as simple as this, where we just step side to side. If that is what works for you today, keep it there. If you want to add some arms a little bit quicker, you can do that. If it's in your wheelhouse to do a little hop, you can be there as well. So I'll go about mid-range. Just a side tap with the arms. Big deep breaths. So you can go a little bit quicker, a little bit slower. Up to you, what your practice allows. Belly button into the spine. Heart rate's coming up. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Okay, we're going to get back to those squats. Remember, you can hold onto the post if that is something that you need. A countertop, a couch, something that's sturdy where you're not going to have it slip. We're going to come down, sit back, and up. So it's nice and slow. Down as low as you feel comfortable. Good. So if your squat only comes to here, that's perfect. If that's what your wheelhouse allows, keep it there. If you can go deeper, that works as well. Find what works best for you, what feels best on your body, your knees, your hips. Using that post if you like. Almost there. 4 more. 3. 2. Last one. Perfect. Bring it up. Little shake out side to side. Remember, we can just step or we can add the arms. Perfect. You can add a little hop if that's in your wheelhouse. Side to side, belly's tight, nice and easy. Right? The bigger the step, the bigger the movement. Feeling sassy this morning, so that would be great. Keep it up, keep it up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. A little shake out. We're going to do that one more time, but first, grab a drink. All right, one more set through, guys. So, ears, shoulders, hips in line. Have the post if you like. We're going to squat down and hold it. And back up. Belly button's tight. Down and hold it. And back up. Very good. Belly button tight. Down and hold. And up. Good. Down and hold. Back up. Perfect. Good. There's a solid chance. I hear some squirrels up there. My dog might just take off barking. She's a Great Dane, so when she barks, she shakes the neighborhood. 2 more. Belly button's tight. Last one. Good. Up, and we're going to go side to side. Keep it up, keep it up. So remember, the arms are optional. Love it. Trying to, please keep them coming. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Shake it out. Grab a drink. We are done that set, but we have more to come. So I have my post here. We're going to stand ears, shoulders, hips, heels in line, and lift up to the side. So squeezing that side glute. 3, 4. Notice how I stand tall. I'm not leaning in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Here we go. So straight out and down. So all the way tall. Belly button's drawn in. All the weight's on my left leg as I lift that right leg up. Squeeze it tight. 8, 9, 10. Good. Shaking out. This little bit of cardio, we're going to bring the knees up in front. So it can be simple, knee up and down. Belly button tight, tall back. Okay, you can have a hand for balance if you need. Just bringing that knee up as tight, as tall as you can. If you want to add, we can bring it elbow across. Or you can go faster. Make it a bit of a jog. I'm going to keep this kind of middle of the road. Make sure I bring my belly button in every time. So middle of the road intensity. If you guys want to step it up, feel free to do that by speeding it up. Make it a little bit easier by keeping the hands down and just lifting the legs. Perfect. 3, 2. One more side. Good. Shaking it out, back to that hip adduction to the side. We're going to stand tall, up and down. Ears, shoulders, hips, heel in line. Lifting that leg up, hand on something for balance. That's the beauty of these videos, is you can like, save, and share them. Watch them later. And the dog's going to start barking. We're going to switch sides. Ear, shoulder, hips, and heels. Hopefully that doesn't get your dog starting to bark. Up and down. Good. Nice and tall. Belly button in. Big squeeze. 8, 9, 10. Good. Shake it out. So here we have the knee lifts, right? They're coming up to about hip level if we can. If that's in your wheelhouse, we can add the arms. Belly button's tight, drawing into the spine. Keep it up. Belly button's in. Almost there. Dog's so excited about whatever it is she's barking at up there. I think a squirrel probably. Sometimes it's deer though. Almost there. 3. Bessie Bear, come here. 2. And 1. Good. Shake it out. Grab a drink. We have that set one more time. And then we're going to go through 2 more exercises. Come on, Bessa. I think there's actually somebody landscaping up there. So you can see her just right there. All right. So we're going to go with that hip adduction to the side. Straight up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side, lifting up. 1 more. Good. Shake it out. So those knees up. Add the arms if you like. Arms are optional. Speed it up if you want more. So we're going to use a stability ball with our exercises. I'll show you how to maximize that piece of equipment. If you don't have one, if you have one of those big balls from the kids, maybe like a big beach ball, that can work too. Just don't sit on it. Or you can watch it and maybe go and purchase one soon after. Good. Shake it out. We're almost there. We're going to do a reach and squeeze with the arm, working on the upper back. We're going to reach forward, squeeze back, reach forward. Notice the shoulder blades squeeze together. Reach and squeeze. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more. Come on, Bessie Bear. And 10. Good. Little shake out. I'm going to twist this because when she comes running down the hill, it's actually quite hilarious. All right. Come on, Bess. Bessie, come here. Okay, so we're going to get those arms moving again. Arms up and just little pumps here. Bessie, come here. Come here. Okay, watch her come down the hill. Come on. Come on. She gets going so fast. Cracks me up. Almost there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Shake it out. All right. So reach and pull here, here, and up. Reach forward. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Keep the elbows in line with the shoulders. Belly button's tight. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pump those arms. Here we go. Let's get it over with. Pump, pump, pump. We'll take a quick break after this and then 1 more set. We're almost done, guys. Watch me be a goof. Watch my dog bark at all the neighbors. Almost there. 10. There she goes. 9, just on cue, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Oh, those shoulders, are you guys feeling that? Grab a quick drink. We have one more set. We are almost there. Beth, what are you doing? Yeah, there's somebody up there pruning some trees. She doesn't like it. All right, we are almost done. Reach and pulls here. All right, here we go. Last 10. Reach and pull. Bessa, pull. Pull. Come on, bear. Good. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Arms out, little pumps. Here we go. This is our last exercise. We are almost there. Give me 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, those shoulders should be feeling it. Let's take a little stretch back. Bessa. I know. Reach it forward, rounding up. She thinks she's super tough, but I think if anything ever came into the yard, she would not be so tough. One arm across. We're almost there. Don't forget to like, save, share this video, guys. Maybe take a friend that you think might enjoy our workouts. I look forward to seeing you guys all again. Let me know how you feel. Drop a comment if your heart rate's up, if you're feeling good, energized to take on the day. I love seeing that. So thank you guys so much. Have a fabulous, fabulous day. And we will see you again soon. Thanks, guys.